GoPro MAX2 Proof, why this bundle changes solo content creation. Ever nailed the perfect action moment only to realize your camera was pointing the wrong direction? A skier friend captured an entire backcountry run last winter. Stunning powder, perfect light, then discovered she'd framed herself out of every shot. The GoPro MAX2 solves that nightmare by recording everything around you in 8K 360. What's the worst shot you've ever missed? Tell me below. Fumbling with camera angles while the moment evaporates creates a visceral frustration that ruins entire shoots. You're losing golden hour light, burning through battery, and second-guessing every frame. The MAX2 Bundle eliminates aiming anxiety entirely. Record now, decide your perspective later, no framing stress, no missed angles, just pure creative control when you actually need it, in post-production, not mid-run. Meet the GoPro MAX2 Bundle, a complete 360 creation system that fundamentally changes how you capture action. The camera records stunning 8K 360 video, capturing literally everything around you simultaneously. The included 4-foot extension pole creates invisible mounting magic. The pole vanishes completely from footage, producing drone-like floating perspectives without flight restrictions. 2 Enduro batteries deliver over 2 hours in freezing conditions, addressing the power-hungry nature of dual-lens recording. The 64GB SanDisk card handles the high data rates without dropped frames. Replaceable water-repelling glass lenses mean one scratch doesn't destroy your investment. A motorcycle vlogger almost abandoned his cross-country series when his traditional camera rig kept missing the scenery during turns. He switched to the MAX2, mounted it on the extension pole, and captured bike, road, and landscape simultaneously. Using the GoPro Quick app, he reframed that single 360 recording into 5 different camera angles: front view, rider POV, landscape wide, close-up, overhead, for his entire documentary. The hypersmooth stabilization erased handlebar vibrations completely. The creative freedom unlocks instantly. One camera hardware specialist explained that the ability to reframe a single shot into multiple traditional angles in post-production is a game-changer for solo creators, effectively acting as multiple camera operators in one device. An adventure influencer called it the ultimate creator kit, noting how the invisible pole allows for incredible drone-like follow shots without the cost or flight restrictions. Industry analysts recognize GoPro as not just selling a camera, but a complete solution for immersive content creation. Real users confirm the transformation. A motorcycle enthusiast shared, "Mounted on the extension pole, it captures the bike, the road ahead, and the scenery all at once. The stabilization completely eliminates vibrations." A family vacation shooter loves that. "I can set it in the middle of the action and not worry about pointing it in the right direction." Worried 360 editing is too complex? The Quick app simplifies reframing into a few taps. Adjust angles, stabilization, and horizon lock after recording. See why thousands of solo creators can't stop talking about this workflow revolution. Which feature would change your shoots most? The invisible pole or the reframe flexibility? Drop your answer. Join action sports enthusiasts, vloggers, and adventure travelers already using the MAX2 Bundle and capturing perspectives impossible with traditional cameras. The 8K 360 resolution, invisible pole mounting, dual Enduro batteries, and effortless reframing deliver real results for solo creators who refuse to compromise on quality. Never aim again. Never miss the angle. Never replace your entire camera over a scratched lens. Check the link in the description for full specs, sample footage, and bundle availability. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a completely different way to create.